Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is something I saw on Pinterest and I tweaked it and ended up making it. This is what we call old beadboard in the South. It's tongue and groove, as you can see, and you got barbed wire there. And it had a little bit different look to it on the Pinterest picture, but I tweaked it like I always do stuff, and made it. And I even used, this is electrical wire for electric fence, and I just kind of bent it and did some curlicues to hang it with. And I didn't know if y'all might be interested in learning how to make this. It's not that easy, but it's not that hard. And about really the only thing you may not have is the jigsaw to make this with, or some clamps. And there's a lot of ways to do the clamps if you know, work your way around that. But I did have a few problems making it, but a lot of it was my own mistakes. So I learned, and it won't happen again. I can guarantee you that. But I kind of like it. I'd made it, and I didn't put these leaves on there, but it kind of looked odd for that. What I made as a flower to be up there, and then I put the leaves on there, and that kind of made it pop. But let me know in the comment section what you think about this. And it's about maybe 18 by 18 inches now. The original square was 20 by 20. And let me know what you think about it. And if you want to, let's make one together. We'll make one. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.